Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to take a lesson on similes and metaphors. Let's begin. First, we have simile. Now, simile is comparing two things using the words like or as. For example, the camel was as tall as palm tree, or her eyes sparkled like diamonds. Now, as you can see in these two sentences, we use the word as and like. Next is metaphor. Metaphor means to say one thing is another thing to show that they are similar. For example, the computer was a dinosaur. Now, this depicts that it was very old. Next, we have the classroom was a zoo. That means that it was very noisy. Here's a little tip if you want to make your own sentence. To make a good simile, you must think of the quality of the object. Now, for example, our object is the moon. The quality of the moon is that it is bright and round, and we are comparing it to a silver plate. Now, let's make the sentence. The moon was like a silver plate in the sky. For metaphor, think of the quality of the object. In this case, the object is the sun. The quality of the sun is powerful and golden. Our comparison will be with a king's crown. So our sentence would be, the sun is a golden crown in the heavens. Now let's take a quiz to test your knowledge. Question 1. Which sentence contains a simile? Sentence 4 is the correct option. The moon was like a silver plate. In this sentence, the word like is used, which means that it is a simile. Question 2. Which sentence contains a simile? The correct option is sentence 4. The classroom was like a zoo. Question 3. The correct option is sentence 2. Her smile was sunshine. Question 4. The correct option is sentence 3. She slept like a baby. Question 5. The correct option is sentence 2. His heart is made of stone. Question 6. The correct option is sentence 1. The blanket was as soft as a cloud. Question 7. The correct option is sentence 2. He is as stubborn as a mule. Question 8. The correct option is sentence 2. The classroom was a beehive. Question 9. The correct option is sentence 2. The car moved like lightning. Question 10. The correct option is sentence 4. Her eyes were stars. Question 11. The correct option is sentence 3. The car moved like lightning. Question 12. The correct option is sentence 4. The snow was as white as cotton. Question 13. The correct option is sentence 2. He is a shining star. Question 14. The correct option is sentence 3. The cake was as light as a feather. Question 15. The correct option is sentence 2. My backpack is a brick. Question 16. The correct option is sentence 4. The blanket was as warm as toast. Question 17. The correct option is sentence 1. She was as graceful as a swan. Question 18. The correct option is sentence 3. The library was a treasure chest. Question 19. The correct option is sentence 3. Her hands were as cold as ice. Question 20. The correct option is sentence 1. The baby was an angel. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.